Embrace mo siya, embrace. Sige, yung totoong yakap talaga. Kabilang side ka. Yan. Ikit ka. 1, 2, 3.
Dale.
Yeah, dali. Mamaya. Buwan ba na? Go. Sir ka muna. Ito ano? Garden ko yun. Sige. Yan. Wag na, pagka nag-start na po tayo, wag na pong gagalawan.
Ay, kulang, love. Kulang.
Huh? Kulang?
Ma-print ni Matip.
Kulang na tuloy sa natin? Ito.
Ay. Ayan. Wait lang pa. Ayan.
Wait lang.
Ah, sige. Ganyan na lang. Double check lang.
Ready?
Go po.
Sir, iwas mo lang yung ganun.
Bakit po?
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Naalala mo yung nagbitaw ako ng pick-up line sa'yo na may isa akong gustong baguhin sa'yo? Yung apelido mo. Alam ko marami nang gumamit tsaka nagsabi niyan. Ang kaibahan ko lang, tinatoo ko. Sa wakas, kasal na tayo. 10 years in the making. Salamat sa pag-intindi. Lagi mong tandaan, mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal kita kahit anong mangyari. Palagi kong pipiliin na mahalin ka araw-araw sa hirap at ginhawa. Darating ang araw, makakamit nating dalawa yung gusto nating buhay para sa ubuin nating pamilya at para sa sarili nating pamilya. Pangako na gagawin ko ang lahat ng makakaya ko bilang asawa mo na pasayahin ka sa mga araw-araw na malungkot ka, na naiiyak ka, na problemado ka. Hindi talaga ako ma-letter na tao, alam mo naman yan. Kaya para ma-express ko pa sa iyo yung pagmamahal ko, gagamit na lang ako ng mga sabong panlaba. Para untied. Gulat ka, no? Nung nakilala kasi kita, nung dumaan ka sa buhay ko, nagliwanag yung mundo ko. Simula pa lang noon, alam ko na ikaw na yung gusto kong babaeng makasama sa buong buhay ko. Masipag, matyaga, mapagmahal sa magulang, maaasahan, kaya nga ikaw yung champion ko. Alam ko, hindi pa natatapos dito yung mga pagsubok. Magsisimula pa lang yung mga problema. Pero sabay tayong magsusurf para malagpasan yung malalaking alon na parating pagkatapos ng kasal natin na to. Kung sakaling tumaob man tayo sa laki ng alon, sisisid tayo na parang si Ariel, dali. Hanggat makarating sa dulo. Kung mapapansin mo, konti lang yung alam kong sabon. Tapos hindi ko binanggit yung pride. Alam mo na siguro yun. Wala na akong maiisip na sabong panlaba. Hindi kasi ako naglalaba, di ba? Kaya ito seryoso na talaga. Gusto ko magpasalamat kay Lord dahil binigyan niya ako ng isang katulad mo. Isang ikaw na habang buhay ko ni pagpapasalamat sa Kanya. Gusto ko ding mag-thank you sa mga magulang mo na pumayag na maging kasintahan ka. Kasi doon simula ang lahat. Kay Tito, na ngayon Daddy Isaac na, at kay Tita, na ngayon Mama Seni na, nasa heaven na. Gusto ko ulit malaman mo na mahal kita. Tsaka mas importante ka talaga sa Dota. Mag-aaway tayo ulit, magbabati, magkakaproblema tayo, maayos natin ulit. Basta kahit anong hamon pa yan, tandaan mo na hindi kita iiwan at mahal kita palagi. Kung mapapansin mo, yung mga huling salita ko, lahat mababangong salita. Kasi nga, di ba, pagkatapos maglaba, dapat downy na. Yun lang po. Okay.
to my husband. This is it. A decade has passed, but right now I feel like it's our first date together. Like our first date together. Remember, in Samoa, wearing your skinny jeans, loose shirt, and old-fashioned shoes, thinking that you look like Daniel Padilla that way.
Solid.
You're always saying na kinikilig na ako sa'yo back there. Lagi ko namang tinatanggi yun. But now, this is my first time I'm going to say this. Yes, Tikilig was there. But as you all know, not just Tikilig, you're giving me that day. That day, giving me every minute of enjoyment in my heart. Peaceful in my mind, assurance, protection that I needed. And know that I'm too OA about that for just first date. But all of that was true. But that's why my heart saying na siya na siguro kahit 2 weeks pa lang nandiligan.
Tali.
Pero,
Mamin ka na.
but my mind, paano kung magkamali ako? Paano kung hindi ikaw? Paano kung masaktan ulit ako? Pero bahala na. Isusugal ko na to kaysa mawala pa. And after that, being with you for 10 years feels like I'm on the right path of life. I'm the luckiest for having someone so loving and selfless partner who I know will love me until the end of time. And then recently someone asked me if ikaw na daw ba yung answered prayer ko. Then my answer was no immediately. Like, no. No. Because I don't remember myself praying to God exactly what I want before. Kasi lagi lang nasa isip ko na,
Solid
Lord,
yun, ah.
sana pag binigyan mo ko ng pamilya, yung matatawag kong akin lang, yung wala akong kahati. Pero sa tanong na yun, napaisip ako, oo nga no, bakit ka nga kaya niya binigay sa akin? Bakit ikaw for all the people that I've encountered? But I think I finally knew the reason when I remember how happy my mama was nung nabubuhay pa siya. Yung pinakalala kita as my first boyfriend. Tuwing pumupunta ka sa bahay, dala-dala yung fishball at kikiam na lulutuin pa lang. Tapos siya, sobrang saya niya kasi sarap na sarap ka sa sauce na ginagawa niya. Tuwing kakwentuhan ka niya, pag gusto mong uminom, okay lang sa kanya, basta sa harap niya, kahit ayaw niya ng mga taong uminom. Or nagjo-joke ka, kahit hindi naman nakakatawa sa amin, pero siya naiiyak nakakatawa. Remember those laughs na parang hindi na makahinga? Kahit nung nag-break tayo, sa 2 months na yun, bukang bibig niya. Asan si Mark? Nakikita pa ba kayo ni Mark? Anong nangyari? That was the reason that I realized that maybe the person who taught us how to be independent, strong, and contented is also the same person who's been silently and fervently praying to God that someday, one day, me and my sister will meet someone who will love us and take care of us the way she loved and took care of us. Thank you for being my mama's answered prayer. But I wish Mama was here to see how guapo you are right now. But I can't imagine kung anong sasabihin niya ngayon kung nandito siya. Uy, kagwapo na ni Mark. Wala nang tigdig. Then, sasabihin niya, anong ginagamit mo? And recently, makikita mo na lang na ginagamit niya din yung ginagamit mo. I'm so glad, really glad that you got to meet the person I get to spend the rest of my life with. And know that Mama, smiling down on us, proud that I'm marrying someone like you. You know, when my mama died, I used to being behind the scenes. But thank you for making me feel that I'm worth of being highlight of someone's life. Thank you for accepting all the attitudes that I have. You know that. For not trying to change who I am. Choosing to love who I was, who I am, and who I yet to become. Thank you, because you were with me in my ups and downs season, especially when my mama passed away. Your generosity is truly admirable, especially considering that you gave so freely despite not having any resourceful of your own. Your selflessness and kindness are incredibly inspiring, and I'm profoundly grateful for everything you do. And now, starting today and for the rest of our life, whatever happened, I vow to love you and your loved ones with all of my heart, without reservation. To honor and support you in everything you do, except video games.
Ano ba yun?
To see you when you don't feel seen. To listen to you, but only listen, because you know I'm always right. Joke. I vow to be always your hype girl. I vow to love you above all next to Jesus. But I cannot promise you all that I be the best wife or mother to our future children. But I promise you, I keep learning, always. Especially, I vow that my I do and I will today is I don't and I want to others. I love you, husband.
Ito, ganda naman nun. Bakit parang ang pang nung sa
Isang taon
akin?
ko pinulat
Ay,
to.
isang taon ba yun? Sa akin din eh. Galing. Love you.